Ammonium solution analeptic, antiseptic. When inhaled, it causes irritation of the mucous membrane of the respiratory tract and reflexively excites the respiratory and vasomotor centers. In high concentrations, causes reflex respiratory arrest. It has a disinfecting effect of the skin. With prolonged contact, the irritating effect of the skin can turn into cauterizing. Coagulation of proteins with the development of hyperemia, swelling and soreness. It is rapidly excreted by any route of administration, mainly by the lungs and bronchial glands. Indications: fainting, disunification of the skin of the hands, neutralizing of acidic toxins from insect bites. How to use: it is used as an ambulance to excite breathing and remove patients from fainting, for which inhalations carefully, not closer than 1/2 to 1 cm. Bring a piece of cotton wool moistened with the drug to the nasal openings. For the manifestations of emetic action, the drug is prescribed orally 5 drops per 100 ml of water. For washing hands, use an ammonia solution, 25 ml per 5 liters of warm boiled water. For insect bites, apply externally in the form of lotions. Contraindications: hypersensitivity. Topical applications of ammonia solution is contraindicated in dermatitis, eczema, and other skin diseases. Side effects: respiratory arrest, reflex when inhaled in high concentrations, hypersalivation, sore throat, hyperemia of the oral mucosa, burn of the esophagus and stomach, ingestion of the drug.